You know, starting the day off right with a nutritious breakfast is a really important start to the day. And that's why I like to start with a special homemade smoothie. So the first thing I put in here is some frozen pineapple. This is going to give it that frozen drink feel to it without adding ice, which is only going to dilute it. Next up, I add some Ruffage from my garden. Fresh, goes right in there. That's really going to help the digestive system. Along with that, I'm adding some blackberries. Next up is some fresh peach. I find that the more variety you can add, the more good stuff that you're getting. Followed by some more Ruffage. Next up is fresh strawberries. This time of year, they're looking really red and really juicy, so I'm going to drop some of those in there. Then we got some blueberries. This is going to add a nice color to it and also give some nice flavor as well. Then we're going to add the juice. This is what's going to lube it all up, so to speak, and turn it into a licuado, as the Mexicans call it. We're going to add a little bit of that. And a little bit of carrot juice with some ginger in it. And then we're going to add some more Ruffage to it, just to make sure our day is started off just right. Now it's all ready for blending. You have to let it go until you don't hear any more bits and pieces clinging around in there. It takes a little while to get to know the sound. And there you have a delicious smoothie with just the right ingredients to start your day.